What on earth is Ethereum? I mean, I keep hearing about it all the time.
Ethereum, what is very interesting, it is overshadowing the rise in Bitcoin, which is also dramatic.
We'll also be talking about some other Ethereum patterns such as this head and shoulders pattern and this inverse head and shoulders pattern.
Will Ethereum rocket to $9,000? $150,000? Ethereum refers to a blockchain-based software platform that can send and receive value globally using its original cryptocurrency Ether without third-party interference. Ethereum is currently giving Bitcoin a run for its money in the cryptocurrency world. It's the most actively used blockchain on the market. Bitcoin and Ethereum have, over the past couple of years, become somewhat a trendsetter, relaunching cryptocurrencies based on a decentralized peer-to-peer network. The two digital platforms have also become the de facto standard for cryptocurrencies, inspiring an ever-growing legion of followers and spin-offs. Watch this video till the end to find out more about Ethereum, a subject that might as well change your life forever. In the end, we need to figure out whether Ethereum will rocket to $9,000, $150,000, or tank to zero. Let's get to it. Russian-Canadian programmer Vitalik Buterin first proposed Ethereum in 2013. Ethereum is technically designed to expand the utility of cryptocurrencies by allowing developers to create their own unique applications. Unlike most apps, these Ethereum-based applications, called decentralized applications, are self-executing thanks to the use of smart contracts. Smart contracts refer to code-based programs that are stored on the Ethereum blockchain and can automatically carry out specific functions when certain predetermined conditions are met. This ranges from sending a transaction when a certain event takes place, or loaning funds once collateral is deposited into a designated cryptocurrency wallet. Smart contracts are credited with forming the basis of all decentralized applications built on Ethereum, making it one of the best crypto to buy now. The crypto world even got better with this invention, and currently the world is all about Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Ethereum has its blockchain, where it boasts a global network of over 2.4 million computers, simply known as nodes. So does Bitcoin. Their role is to maintain a record of transactions and check Ethereum prices. You and I can run an Ethernet node and even participate in validating the network, provided we have the right hardware, knowledge, and time to commit to it. Three main types of nodes operate on the Ethereum network. First are the full nodes. These nodes verify and execute transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. Secondly are light nodes. On its website, Ethereum explained that they maintain a section of the blockchain records and request some data from full nodes. And as the name suggests, these nodes can run on lighter devices such as phones and don't need to operate 24/7. And lastly, we have full archive nodes. They store the entire history of the Ethereum blockchain, including previous states, and are used for tools like block explorers. Still, as Ethereum explained, a simple way to understand the difference between miners and full nodes is thinking of miners as archaeologists uncovering historical artifacts, and full nodes as administrators at a national museum maintaining a record of all their findings. The transparency and uniqueness of altcoin has positively affected Ethereum price prediction in 2021. Back in January 2021, when the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum, was trading at just over $1,200, one investor made the bold call of predicting a spike to the mid-$3,000 level, claiming it was being overlooked by investors. Just under 5 months later, that prediction hit, with Ethereum up roughly 400% on the year to cross the $3,500 mark as of May 2021. Now, that same investor, Megan Kaspar, co-founder of the digital asset investment company Magnetic, is upping her price target to the $8,000 to $10,000 price range by year's end. The Ethereum blockchain relies on miners to develop new blocks. They're like digital boxes that store transaction information and other data. Miners usually compete using specialized computing equipment to stand a chance of winning the next person to add a block to the chain. Once added, the mining network verifies it to ensure the balances are correct and the transaction isn't a double spend, meaning someone somewhere isn't trying to spend money they don't have. However, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum nodes need to track the state and the current information of all its applications, including balances, smart contract codes, and any changes that arise in the process. Running and maintaining an Ethereum node demands a mammoth of storage and is costly to run compared to a Bitcoin node. The Ethereum 2021 success story has been attributed mainly to these satisfactory arrangements. The interest in Ethereum technology has never been higher. Ethereum is the second largest public blockchain network by both market capitalization and daily trading volume. It has already undergone a remarkable development in its young history and continues to grow steadily. In 2020, an average of $231 million in Ether was traded daily on spot exchanges. At the start of 2021, that number jumped to 2.7 billion. The interest has in part come from the acceleration of decentralized finance, DeFi, a concept that focuses on blockchains and smart contracts rather than traditional financial intermediaries. It's also come from Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, technology built on top of Ethereum that is highly scalable and efficient, and sizable developments with stablecoins, which are primarily anchored on the Ethereum network. As such, the excitement and interest around Ether shows signs of growing acceptance and an appreciation of decentralization. And what is stored on each Ethereum node, one may ask? Well, there are accounts which show how much Ethereum crypto the user has. You'll also find a smart contract code. Ethereum harbors these codes that mainly describe elaborate rules that must be adhered to for money to be unlocked and transferred. And finally, the smart contract state. These are simply the state of the smart contracts. The information can be coded using high-tech programming language like C++ or JavaScript. However, the most dominant one remains Solidity, designed by Ethereum's former Chief Technical Officer Gavin Wood. These contracts must be converted from high-level languages that humans can understand to low-level languages that a machine can work with. A computer environment named Ethereum Virtual Machine is the hub and factory where all the vital information and data are deployed and executed. The Ethereum Virtual Machine is installed into every Ethereum node and is capable of carrying out over 140 different operation codes, commonly referred to as opcodes. In layman terms, they're simply machine instructions and commands that can be programmed to virtually perform any task, which is what the term Turing complete refers to. The impressive development of smart contracts has led to the creation of decentralized autonomous organizations and a thriving decentralized finance system where traditional financial services such as lending, loans, and insurance can now be accessed through peer-to-peer powered apps. There are also Ethereum token standards. These are simply the blueprints for creating tokens that are compatible with the broader Ethereum network. They include tokens that can be traded for one another, as well as tokens that are inherently unique and cannot be mutually exchanged. Ethereum developers invented Ethereum token standards to help users create new digital currencies easier, faster, and cheaper than starting from scratch. Ethereum prediction, especially in terms of sales and price, is also aided by this feature. So what are some of the reasons why Ethereum is growing at such a rapid rate? To start with, there's global adoption and growing interest in blockchain technology. According to a report from Deloitte, 40% of surveyed companies plan to spend at least $5 million on blockchain projects in 2020, and 86% of U.S. companies surveyed built or are in the process of building blockchain teams. 55% of those surveyed said blockchain was a top 5 strategic priority. This acceptance and investment are a broad sign that blockchain technology has become more trusted among those looking to use it to improve business processes or use it as a method for transactions. Ethereum has emerged as the most established cryptocurrency for those purposes due to its DeFi and scalability credentials. Additionally, 2020 ushered in improvements in crypto market structure, thanks to growing involvement from spot exchanges and custodian projects, as well as enhanced security and regulation to the spot crypto market. Secondly, more institutions are warming up to the idea of crypto, which increases demand. In the current macro environment, some may view crypto as a hedge against potential future inflation. Lastly, institutions that include crypto in their portfolios need a trusted venue to manage risk with price transparency and liquidity. The launch of the CME Ether futures contract provides institutional investors with a regulated market in which to get exposure to price movements without having to handle the digital asset or deal with concerns about wallets, custodians, insurance, or other barriers to entry. While several ERC token standards are deployed on the Ethereum network, 3 are commonly used: ERC 2.0, ERC 721, and ERC 1155. Ethereum 2.0, commonly referred to as Serenity, is a significant upgrade that aims to make the world's second-largest crypto project faster, more efficient, and more scalable by migrating the network from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake system. Megan Kaspar, Ethereum's new system involves users of the network tying up their coins to become network contributors, instead of using expensive, energy-intensive mining equipment. Each staker is required to lock up 32 ethers or join a staking pool and combine their ether with others to create new blocks on the Ethereum blockchain. The Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is expected to roll out in multiple phases. Ether has claimed its own right in the highly flexible cryptocurrency world. Earlier this year, Ethereum was the second largest cryptocurrency based on value after Bitcoin. According to Analytics Insight, its market cap was estimated at $500 billion, compared to $1.080 trillion for Bitcoin. Ethereum price prediction is even looking better in the foreseeable future. But one thing is for sure, Ethereum versus Bitcoin debate is not going away anytime soon. Ethereum investors were among the first to benefit from the potential of blockchain technology. Its ETH cryptocurrency was designed mainly as a mode of payment for applications built on its platform. Its safety standards opened up possibilities for storing vital private information from healthcare records to voting systems. Its reliance on cryptocurrency opened up opportunities for programmers to create and market games and business applications on the network. Investors use any of several cybercurrency trading platforms to buy and sell Ether, or ETH. The current choices include Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp, Gemini, Binance, and Bitfinex. Investing apps like Robinhood and Gemini also allow cryptocurrency trading. As already known, cybercurrency valuations are incredibly volatile, and the people who trade them are trying to capitalize on that volatility. The value of one ETH was about $2,236 at the end of May 2021. It had been above $4,000 in mid-May. The same was about $231 a year before. As per the Bitcoin Conference 2021, Ethereum is the leading among the altcoins, which are basically cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. As of March 2021, there were almost 9,000 cryptocurrencies. According to CoinMarketCap, altcoins accounted for over 40% of the total cryptocurrency market in March 2021. And because they're derived from Bitcoin, altcoin price movements tend to mimic Bitcoin's trajectory. However, analysts say the maturity of cryptocurrency investing ecosystems and the development of new markets for these coins will make price targets for altcoins independent of Bitcoin's trading signals. With Ether demand growing, the future contract performance will be something to watch in the months ahead. Whether viewed as valuable blockchain technology or a store of value, Ethereum has carved out a significant and important place in the market for crypto. Despite a reported Ethereum crash around May 2021, their fortunes still seem bright, but this may be the right time for investors to join the party. While these extreme downturns can be nerve-wracking, there is a silver lining. The most expensive cryptocurrencies are now on sale. But remember, that said, investing in cryptocurrency isn't for everyone, regardless of how low the price drops. There we go. Do you mind sharing your thoughts with us on Ethereum after watching this video? Has it changed your perception of the crypto world and digital trading? Let us know in the comments section below.